Our world is a spectacle of wonder, a vast and intricate tapestry woven with life in its most breathtaking forms. From the sun-drenched savannas to the deepest, darkest corners of the ocean, and from the towering peaks of majestic mountains to the whispering canopies of ancient forests, nature puts on a show that is both epic and intimate. Today, we're embarking on a global journey to uncover some of its most astonishing secrets. To meet the creatures that defy imagination and challenge our understanding of what's possible, get ready to explore the hidden wonders that lie just beneath the surface of our everyday world, the realm of survival. Seeing is everything, but being unseen is an art form. Welcome to the world of nature's masters of disguise. Deep within the forests of Madagascar, something incredible is hiding in plain sight. This is the satanic leaf-tailed gecko. Its body is a perfect imitation of a decaying leaf, complete with veins, blemishes, and even a notched tail that mimics insect damage. During the day, it flattens itself against tree bark or hangs motionless among dead leaves, becoming virtually invisible to predators and prey alike. It's a masterful illusion, a living piece of the forest floor. But the gecko isn't the only artist of deception. Across the globe, in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia, a flower seems to have come to life. This is the orchid mantis. With petal-shaped legs and a body colored in vibrant shades of pink and white, it flawlessly mimics an orchid bloom. Unsuspecting pollinators like bees and butterflies are drawn in, expecting a sweet sip of nectar, only to find themselves face-to-face with a patient and deadly predator. It's a beautiful, yet lethal work of art. Now, let's plunge beneath the waves to meet a true shapeshifter, the undisputed genius of camouflage, the octopus. This remarkable creature is more than just a master of color change. It can alter the very texture of its skin, raising bumps and ridges to perfectly match the rough surface of a coral reef, or smoothing itself out to blend with the sandy seafloor. An octopus can squeeze its boneless body through the tiniest of crevices, and when threatened, release a cloud of ink to create a smokescreen for a swift escape. It's a display of intelligence and adaptation that leaves us in awe of the ocean's mysteries. Nature's creativity, however, doesn't stop at camouflage. Evolution has sculpted animals in some truly extraordinary ways, pushing the boundaries of biology. Consider the chameleon. It's famous for changing color, but not just for hiding. Chameleons use their vibrant skin to communicate with each other, signaling mood, health, and romantic intentions. And that's not all. Their eyes can move independently, allowing them to look in two different directions at once, one eye scanning for danger, the other for a tasty insect. When a target is spotted, its tongue, which can be twice the length of its body, shoots out with astonishing speed and precision. From the small and colorful, we turn to the tall and majestic, the giraffe. Its incredible height is not just for reaching the tender leaves at the tops of acacia trees. That long neck is also a powerful tool in a ritual known as necking, where males swing their necks at each other to establish dominance and win the right to mate. And to pump blood all the way up to that lofty brain, the giraffe has evolved a massive heart, weighing up to 25 pounds, and an intricate network of vessels to manage the extreme blood pressure. It's a marvel of biological engineering. Now, let's venture into the icy waters of the Arctic, home to the unicorn of the sea, the narwhal. That incredible tusk, which can grow up to 10 feet long, is actually an elongated canine tooth that spirals out from its upper jaw. For centuries, its purpose was a mystery. But we now know this tusk is a highly sensitive sensory organ, packed with millions of nerve endings. It can detect subtle changes in water temperature, pressure, and salinity, helping the narwhal navigate the dark Arctic waters and find its food. It's a sensory tool, unlike any other in the animal kingdom. And for our final feat of adaptation, we travel to Australia to meet one of nature's greatest puzzles, the platypus. This creature seems to be assembled from spare parts. It has the bill of a duck, the tail of a beaver, and the webbed feet of an otter. It's one of the few mammals that lays eggs, and the males possess a venomous spur on their hind legs. If that wasn't strange enough, platypus hunts by using its bill to detect the weak electrical fields generated by the muscle contractions of its prey, a sense known as electroreception. It's a living, breathing testament to the wonderfully weird and unpredictable path of evolution. Life in the wild is a constant, high-stakes drama of survival. It's a relentless chess match where every move can mean the difference between life and death. On the volcanic shores of the Galapagos, a newly hatched marine iguana faces an immediate and terrifying challenge. Its path to the safety of the sea is a gauntlet patrolled by an army of racer snakes. What follows is a heart-pounding chase, a scene of pure instinct and adrenaline. While many don't make it, the sheer will to survive is on full display as some of these tiny reptiles miraculously navigate the serpent-filled landscape to reach the ocean. In the frozen expanses of North America, a different kind of battle unfolds, a contest of endurance and strategy. A pack of wolves has its sights set on a herd of bison animals, many times their size and strength. A head-on attack would be suicide. Instead, the wolves work as a team. They test the herd, looking for weakness, trying to isolate an old, young, or injured individual. The bison form a defensive circle, horns out, protecting their vulnerable. It's a long, drawn-out struggle of attrition, a testament to the power of family and the strategic brilliance of a coordinated pack. On the African savanna, speed is the name of the game, and the cheetah is its champion. But a single cheetah, despite its explosive acceleration, often fails in its hunts. The true power of these sprinters is unlocked when they work together. We often think of cheetahs as solitary, but brothers will form coalitions, hunting as a coordinated unit. One cheetah might initiate the chase, driving the prey towards a hidden sibling who then launches the final decisive attack. This teamwork dramatically increases their success rate, turning a solo sprint into a strategic relay race for survival. Nature is not just a stage for drama, it's also a workshop for some of the world's most brilliant engineers. In Madagascar, a tiny architect creates something truly astonishing. This is Darwin's bark spider. It produces a silk that is, pound for pound, 10 times stronger than Kevlar, the toughest biological material ever studied. With this super silk, it weaves gigantic orb webs that can span rivers up to 80 feet wide. These colossal nets are strong enough to catch not just insects, but sometimes even small birds and bats. It's a feat of engineering that humans can only dream of replicating. Let us dive into the murky waters of the Amazon River to meet a living power plant, the electric eel. It's not actually an eel, but a type of knifefish. This creature has evolved specialized organs made of modified muscle cells called electrocytes. Like tiny batteries stacked in a series, they can discharge a powerful electric shock of up to 860 volts. The eel uses this incredible power not just to stun prey and deter predators, but also as a kind of radar, emitting low-voltage pulses to navigate and sense its surroundings in the dark, muddy water. Now, take to the skies at dusk and witness the masters of echolocation bats. As they flit through the darkness, they emit high-frequency sound waves from their mouths or noses. These sounds bounce off objects in their environment: a tree branch, cave wall, or a tiny moth, and the echoes return to the bat's oversized ears. By interpreting these echoes, the bat builds a detailed three-dimensional sound map of its surroundings, allowing it to navigate and hunt with pinpoint accuracy in complete darkness. It's nature's very own sonar technology. And finally, back on the ground, let's not overlook the clever and resourceful squirrel. Every autumn, these furry acrobats engage in a frantic race against time, gathering and burying thousands of nuts to survive the winter. But here's the genius part. They don't put all their acorns in one basket. They use a technique called scatter hoarding, burying each nut in a separate location. To remember these thousands of hiding spots, they use a complex system of spatial memory and scent marking. And they've even been observed engaging in deceptive catching, pretending to bury a nut to fool other squirrels who might be watching, then scurrying off to hide it somewhere else. It's a clever strategy from one of nature's most persistent engineers. From the gecko that melts into a leaf to the spider that builds bridges of silk, our journey has shown us a world teeming with ingenuity, artistry, and resilience. Every creature we've met is a masterpiece of evolution, a unique solution to the puzzle of survival. They remind us that nature's imagination is limitless. Its power is awe-inspiring, and its secrets are waiting to be discovered. The more we look, the more we listen, the more we realize that our planet is a place of endless wonder. Let's continue to explore, to learn, and most importantly, to protect this incredible world and all of its hidden marvels. Thank you so much for joining us on this global adventure. If you enjoyed this journey into nature's hidden wonders, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next exploration. We'll see you in the next video.